Hey guys, I'm back for a moment. Sorry for this glare right here. I have that piece of acetate paper. So that's gonna be there indefinitely through the video. I'll move it a little bit, might be getting out of picture. Anyway, so I have layered quite a few pieces. That, and it's on this one as well. These are some M&Ms my mom had ordered for us for our reception. So sorry. Anyway, and that's us leaving in the limo. So this was just a random picture that I wanted to have in there, so I thought I'd go ahead and throw it in here. So anyway, that's the main piece, and then I'm throwing this piece of acetate on here because I really wanted to use it. And I thought, it looks pretty good. So, excuse me, this one I'm not going to mat anymore. Leaving that as is. And let me try and remember how I had this. Whoa there, little lady. Calm down. Okay. Pretty sure... I didn't put any tape down there. Oh yeah, I did. Okay. There we go. And then I wanted to layer it with this piece of vellum. Just for a little something extra. And that's all, my layering. Pretty sure I wanted all that up top there. And I wanted to cover this all up. This little intersection is what I like to call it. Ah, shoot. Dadgum glue. Anyway, if you haven't been following this series, this is the second to last video. I didn't think I was going to actually do a video on every single page, but I think I pretty much have at this point. So, hoping it gives people inspiration to actually do the wedding albums. Because if you don't know, I literally just had my 7-year anniversary. And you know, life gets in the way sometimes. One thing I do find though is that while I enjoy getting projects like this done, I do tend to get a little bit tired of them. Excuse me, I'm so sorry. I have a candle going on over here and I think it might be making my throat a little itchy. Because that's how allergic I am to silly stuff. Pardon me. I know what you're all thinking. Blow out the candle. Not gonna do it. Anyway, so I was saying 7-year anniversary, just now doing my wedding album. And one of the reasons why I kind of waited on it was I already have one that my sister made me. So there was no big rush. However, if you also watch my channel, you know I'm pregnant, and if you saw my very itty bitty room tour, or like area tour, you know my craft space is literally in my bedroom on one wall, And we got to make some space for a baby up in here, so. Anywho, what are you gonna do? So I did want to do husband and wife as my title. I did not plan out where I was putting it though, so let's do that together. I think I'm gonna do, yeah, I think I'll use this one. Wife. Nice. Oh, yeah. Well, if that isn't the smallest stinking dot you ever did see. Good. I'm sure by the time this makes it to where it's going, that will be lost. Nonetheless. Whatever. Y'all know I love me arrows. I had another one over here. Oh, I must not have taken it out. That's fine. This one's got the gray in it to bring in that. I think I'm gonna put that over here to kind of cover this intersection that I've got going on up there. Oh. I wonder, That's good. Probably won't get any of those ever used up again. And, oh, I had brought this out for the and sign. Those don't kind of match. Those don't kind of match. Those kind of don't match. Anyway. Sprinkly time. Now, I think I'll use gold Nouveaus. I think that gold matches okay. Wonder how this dries on acetate. Do you guys know? Reckon I'm about to find out. Okay, so I have to work my way down because my hand likes to always find the fresh Nouveau drops. Always. Always. Okay. I feel like because the background is so stinking busy on this one, I think I'm going to leave it the way it is. I do realize my picture is crooked. Once again, such as, you see my little bump? Anyway, that'll be the day. Alright, guys. I'm super sorry for all the glare. There's not a whole lot I can do about it with this acetate. That's us, though. So, I hope you guys enjoy, and we'll see you soon with the very last video. Bye, guys!